Today we're working on a really easy lace pattern, and it is just a series of elongated stitches. So I'll show you how to work that. You can work this over any number of stitches, and it is a 6-row repeat. I'd also say that this is reversible because here's the back. It's a garter stitch in between the elongated stitches, so both sides are the same. Let's get started. I've already done one repeat of this 6-row pattern, and I've casted on 20 stitches for this sample, but again, you can cast on any number of stitches for this pattern. Row 1, which is a right side row, is knit across. Since it's garter stitch, it will be knit a right side row and knit a wrong side row, and that's what creates the garter stitch that is the same on the front and the back. Row 2, we will again knit all the way across. Row 3, knit across. Row 4, knit across. So again, rows 1 through 4, we're just knitting each row, and that's what creates the garter stitch section. All right, row 5. Rows 5 and 6 are where the magic really happens. So we're on row 5, we're back on the right side. We're going to knit 1 and then wrap the yarn around the needle twice. And then knit 1, wrap the yarn around the needle twice, knit 1. And you just do that all the way across the row. Row 6, we will knit 1 and then drop the wraps that are on the needle. Knit the next stitch, drop the wraps. Just like that, all the way across. Knit 1, drop the wraps. To the last stitch. And there you can see those elongated stitches if you just stretch it out a bit to tighten up those stitches. And then you just keep repeating those 6 rows. Here's the right side. And then to end with a garter stitch pattern, for example, like I have here in this little swatch, you just, after you work your row 6 for the last time, you'll just work rows 1 through 4 again and just create that garter stitch section so that it matches all the others. Then on this example, I just bound off. But that's it.